Every time IWF rolls around, one of the things I make sure I check out is the Design Emphasis display. Design Emphasis is a competition for U.S. college students from various designing and manufacturing programs to show off their best work and compete with their peers. Sponsored by IWF and their owners, the WMIA and WMMA. The finalists' projects are always displayed prominently at the IWF Show. And for my money, it's always worth spending a little time in the booth checking it all out. These students show an eye for design and skill in their craft. If you find yourself at an IWF event in the future, this is definitely one of the stops you need to make.